All right, in this tutorial, I wanted to go over drip rate questions when time is involved in terms of time of infusion and frequency. So a lot of times these types of questions will be incorrect because the wrong time unit is used. Usually you have a way to kind of double check yourself, but with these ones it could be a little tricky. So I'm going to start by just showing you what I'm talking about. All right, so first we realize based on this last sentence, we're solving for a drip rate and we have a drop factor. So this tells me I'm solving for drops per minute. And I'm gonna go in a little bit of a fast motion here. So 12 drops per milliliter is what a drop factor is. And I'm going to need to cancel out my milliliters. Next is my milligrams. And this is where you could get stuck and go one of two ways. So we see 500 milligrams up here, and you're trying to figure out what it's tied to. You know you need to get 2 minutes at the bottom, so this every 6 hours looks pretty enticing. You could put this in here and actually get 2 minutes using a common conversion, so it's one of those mirages that will lead you to an incorrect answer. And here's why. So this is our 24-hour day, let's say. And this medication is given every 6 hours. So we have our first dose here, second dose here, third, and then our fourth dose. When we're giving this medication, it's not something that is given over 6 hours. So in other words, we're not infusing it this entire time in between doses. It's basically saying that we're doing this instead here, here, and so forth. But when we do give this drug as a frequency, there's a certain time frame that we need to give it over, which wouldn't be 6 hours long. It's going to be shorter usually. Continuous infusions like maintenance IV fluids, normal saline boluses, those kind of things, those are different. Those will be over hours usually, and that's when this would matter. So in this case, we're doing this every 6 hours, and then we're doing the infusion at 40 minutes. So really what we're doing is 40 minutes here, 40 minutes here, and we're just repeating that every 6 hours. So don't take the bait of this frequency because as you see, you can get to this end unit, and dimensional analysis usually will prevent you from taking distractors because you wouldn't be able to cancel them out. But in this case, you could with a common conversion. So instead, you would take 40 minutes down here, and that would get you to this stop unit of minutes as well. I hope that helps.